Hongga is one of the fundamental systems for southern-bound martial arts in China. It was developed in the 17th century from Shaolin Kung Fu. It can be practiced with bare hands, a stick, broadsword, etc.
So we use the power from the rotation of the waist as well, but also from the footwork. So the footwork is how you transfer the force. So it's not only how low you can stand, which is typical for modern wushu, but for us in traditional styles, it's how we move, how we can transfer the power from stance to stance. So we can rotate the waist fully, so we can move forward effectively or move off the center line. So footwork is probably the number one thing.
Hongga incorporates 5 animals to imitate their way of defense and attack. Tiger, snake, panther, crane, dragon.
In fact, there is no such thing as belt for karate or taekwondo. You are always at the level which is never enough. It's a lot about mental strength, mental toughness, of not giving up, because you never reach any specific level. There's always something somewhere else what to learn, where to climb up. So it's never-ending story.